Hello! I'm in Iceland! It's my first morning in Iceland. I got here yesterday afternoon and I decided not to film too much yesterday. I just enjoyed being here. I just enjoyed the excitement. I picked up the van from Campese and I went and found a bonus supermarket. My first trip to a bonus supermarket! Why am I excited about that? I got all my food and drink for the week, stocked up the van, and then I had a 3-hour drive up to, I'm doing the ring road clockwise, so I had a 3-hour drive up to the northeast to my first campsite. So I just kind of got an early night last night. I just enjoyed getting used to the van, figuring everything out. I slept really well actually, and then I had an early start this morning. So I've got a 7-day itinerary which I'm following. Funnily enough, I actually turned up to Iceland with no plan. I had done a bit of research before I came out, but I hadn't really set myself any kind of itinerary, so I was kind of just planning to wing it. But when I got to Campese and I picked up the campervan, they've got an iPad that you put on the dash for directions and stuff, and it has routes that you can follow. It has a 7-day itinerary, 14-day, and anti-clockwise, clockwise. So I just decided to follow that. So I'm leaving it up to fate as to where I visit and what I see. I'm following this 7-day itinerary and just going to all of the stops along the way. And this is my first one. So I've just got to my second spot of the day. I'm in a place called Dettifoss, which is a hot geothermal pool. And it's got these cool little houses that are like covered in grass. Look. They're really cool. I can't believe how hot it was. I've never been to a hot spring before. I thought it might be a bit warm, but it was like really hot. I will get in a hot spring at some point while I'm here. I just can't be bothered right now, if I'm honest. I have finished my first day in Iceland. It's been long, I'm not gonna lie. I've done a lot of driving today. I'm following a 7-day itinerary and I've basically decided to skip day 2 because there wasn't anything major in there that I really wanted to see, and I'm really eager and impatient to get down to some of the more iconic, bigger stuff that I want to see and do. So yeah, I'm tired, I can't really talk. I've had a great first day. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm not even having any dinner, I'm too tired. So yeah, good night from Iceland. Good night. Day 2. Look how cool this is. I'm parked at, where am I? I keep forgetting where I am. Dettifoss. I'm at Dettifoss. You can see the spray from the top of the waterfall, even from here. There's 2 cars and then there's no one else here. So early bird catches the worm. I'm so excited to go and explore. The midges. Ooh. I don't know if you can, oh my god, this is ridiculous. I've never, I don't like it. This is the most horrific smell. Okay, I've got used to the smell, and this is one of the coolest places I've ever seen. This is just crazy. I've never seen anything like this. I'm amazed. But yeah, apparently it's the sulfuric acid that makes it smell like eggs. But yeah, so far this is the coolest place that I've seen since being here. Oh my god! Just head into Dettifoss. I keep calling it Dettifoss, which I think is a cuter name actually, but it's called Dettifoss. Look at all this spray. That's mental. So this is my evening setup. I had to show you because it is the cutest thing. It's the cutest date I've ever been on, and it's for myself. Okay, seriously, that's cheesy, but I'm camping in the car park of the, what's it called? Canyon. Jesus Christ, you've had one drink. I've got my little table and chairs out. I've got country music playing, and then we have butter chicken with rice, and making the chicken. I've even got little fairy lights for myself, and a vodka and coke, as you can see. So I am exceptionally happy right now. I don't think I've ever been happier, and I know I've said that before, but it still counts. So I'm gonna make myself chicken curry with my little fairy tea light things and watch the sunset in the middle of Iceland. Yeah. Cheers. Good morning, it's day 3. So last night I drove up to Studlagill Canyon, which, I feel bad saying this, but it was a bit anticlimactic for me, only because the pictures and the videos I've seen of it were like more Instagrammy than the reality. So the place I went to, the only access you had to the canyon was to walk onto like a viewing platform, whereas the pictures I'd seen, people were like down on water level, even like jumping in and swimming. So there's obviously some other spots that you can get to, but it was still cool to see. And then amazingly, it turns out that the car park there was a campsite, so I managed to sleep there for the night, have a really cute little date night to myself, which I just loved. And yeah, this morning I've managed to fill up my water tank and all my water bottles, and I'm good to go for day 3. So I'm heading to, what is this place called now? Sadisfjordur, probably butchering that. It's got a beautiful church, and it's got a multicoloured path in the middle of the street, so obviously I have to go see that. Yes, I have changed my outfit for a photo. Yes, I've done that. This is the first hill I've walked in like a week. I've done so much driving, sitting down on this trip. I'm literally dying from the first hill. Yes, I have changed my coat again and my hat because I don't want the same clothes in every photo. But I've just set off to go find Dettifoss, which is one of the tallest, highest waterfalls in Iceland. It's 185 metres, and what's nice is you've got a bit of a walk to get to it. It's in the valley over there. That's Dettifoss. I didn't know that the path ended like so far away from it, and I've considered clambering all over the boulders and stuff, but it just seems like a bit of a silly thing to do, and I'm on my own, there's nobody around. It just seems not worthwhile doing. So one for the drone. It's been a long evening. I had a 3.5 hour drive from Dettifoss to the Vestrahorn. It's just been torrential rain. It got so dark here. I've just been straining my eyes to see for like what feels like hours. So I don't even know where I've parked up. I think I'm just in the Vestrahorn car park. I couldn't see anything driving in, so it's going to be pretty nice waking up and being surprised with the views. I hope the rain stops and hopefully have better weather in the morning. But yeah, it's been a long evening, a lot of driving today. I'm exhausted, so I'm just gonna skip dinner again and get to sleep and look forward to seeing the views in the morning. So yeah, good night. It's been a rainy morning this morning. It's as you can see, it's a bit drizzly now, but it was really heavy rain earlier and all through the night. I've lost my lucky streak with the weather, but I'm at Vestrahorn, which is meant to be a really beautiful like pointy mountain. Doesn't really do it justice, does it? The mountain often reflects in the water, and I've seen beautiful pictures of it. I don't think, well, I know I won't get that view today, but I'm still gonna go see it. There's also an old Viking town. So yeah, I'm gonna embrace the rain today. Day 4, let's do it. The Viking village was so cool. I just was wandering around there for ages. It's just cool seeing all the little buildings and ruins and stuff. I think I could be a Viking. Yeah, I could do it. Okay, just did some research because I was like just so amazed by that place, and I couldn't work out whether like it was genuine or not, but it turns out it's a replica. It's a replica for a film set. But still pretty cool, still very impressed, and really a really cool place to go see. I'm at Diamond Beach, which has like these big ice things. What are they called? Oh, I'm too cold to think. Icebergs! Is that what they're called? I don't know. It is freezing cold. I'm getting drenched. There's not even many here for this time of year. Sometimes there's like loads, but I'm still pretty excited. This is so much fun! I just got back to the van. I'm soaked and I'm covered in sand. But that was so much fun, just running around in the rain and like chasing the waves and stuff. Ah, who says you can't have fun on your own? I just had a blast. Okay, so I just changed and left the Diamond Beach and drove over this bridge and saw this. And there's some massive ones down there. I've never seen anything like it. So it is 6:15. I was meant to end up in Vik tonight, which is another 2 hours south of where I am. I'm actually now at Skaftafell National Park, which is where the waterfall Dettifoss is. It is so beautiful here, the scenery is incredible. There's a massive campsite, there are showers, which I'm so excited about. So I've decided to spend a bit more time here, enjoy more of my evening, seeing as I didn't really get one last night. I'm really excited to just have some chill time because I've had the most amazing day today, and I kind of just want to like process it all and like just reminisce, go through my pictures and stuff. I'm really sad, I know. On that note, this is probably where I'll finish part 1 of the vlog, because there is so much to fit in. I'm going to split it in 2 parts. So thank you for watching so far. I'm halfway through my trip. I still have another 3 days to go. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, that is correct. So please subscribe and then you'll be notified when the next video is out. And yeah, thanks for watching part 1. Come back for part 2. I will be showered and clean. And yeah, 3 more days of adventuring across Iceland to do. It's going to be good. So, this is the van. This is the Easy Camper. It's 4x4. You can rent several different types of vans from Camp Easy. I got the Easy Camper 4x4 because that's all I needed for me. You've got a side door, and you've got a back door, the table here. This comes apart and lays on the floor, and then these turn into a bed, which makes it a very wide bed because it's the entire length of the camper van, so much room. We've got a heater here. This is our water tank. Got a sink here, and then up here we have the cool box, which doubles as a fridge, so you can set the temperature on that. That keeps everything cool. Here we have some sockets for USB, and the van also comes with a power adapter for you to put your plug in. Storage wise, there is plenty of storage. So this top drawer has all my snacks in. This drawer down here comes with utensils, chopping boards, knives, pots, plates, cups, everything you could possibly need. This one down here, pots, pans, a little gas stove for you to cook on, and then you've got loads of storage underneath both of the chairs as well, where your duvet can stay. We have some hooks up here to keep things dry. This is the table, which slots nicely behind the seats here, and the 2 camping chairs are underneath the sofa. And I think that's pretty much it. If you're wanting to travel Iceland, I encourage you definitely to do it by campervan. It means you've got the freedom to stop off where you want. You've got the freedom to just follow whatever itinerary you want to follow. If you decide you want to go a bit further that day, then you've got somewhere to sleep for the night. It's really enjoyable driving over here as well. The roads are amazing, the scenery is incredible. I've also just loved the coziness. There's nothing better than being tucked up in a van. You can hear the rain outside and you're all warm and cozy. It's really nice. I'm really gonna miss it. If you're planning to come to Iceland, check out Camp Easy, look into their vans. I just can't recommend it enough. So I hope this video has been helpful, and yeah, that's me and my Camp Easy camper van saying goodbye from Iceland.